Hey everybody, Josh Marler, AA4WX, Ham Shack TV from YouTube right here. Hey, I've got a special treat for you guys. You ready to see where we're going to go in? Gigaparts. Now, Jason, KC5HWB from Ham Radio 2.0 has built a lot of hype around this place. So we are excited to go check it out. Got Bob, KK4XA, got Jordan, MA4WX here. Charlotte here too. Photobomb, WB4GBI's here. So let's go in the store and check it out. Makes sense. Here we are. Gigaparts. Let's check it out.
Love monopod.
So we got camera stuff here. And you got more cameras. Networking for computers. You got some computers sitting right here. Monitor mounts. You got some sound. Check out this simulator sitting here. Great stuff. Some metal detectors over there. Maker supplies, astronomy, toys and gadgets back there. Look at this flight simulator. Wow. Got all kinds of equipment here to build your own computer if you like. Now for the fun stuff. Got power supplies here for your ham radio needs. Here's the QRZ Explorer, great little starter radio for somebody. They got the bags to match it. Back over here you got some power supplies. So you got Inteltron, and these are SWR meters right here. Got some speakers, dummy loads. LDG tuners. LDG makes great tuners. There's a bunch of Comet antennas. Back here, you got more antennas here, 17 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, 75. And look at this big boy here, the FTDX101MP, maybe one day. Here's the FTDX10, great little radio. 6,000, there's the 500. Of course, these are all VHF and UHF. You got an 891 here for $600. How can you beat that? There's the 300 for just a few bucks. 354, you got some HTs. There's the 5D, there's the FT65. You got the 70DR with the 60R. Got the VX6R. Here's your 710. This is the AESS edition. You see it's got the little external speaker here. Best audio you can get in amateur radio. pick it up today. Got the 991A here. I can speak from experience. Fantastic radio. If you're coming to the Huntsville Hamfest, I have one for sale. I have one for sale. Come get it. Come get it. Got DV Mega stuff. We got 11 meters here. There's your SDR. Got some ICOM stuff here. There's a 7300. There's the 705 sitting there. All kinds of good stuff from ICOM here. Here's the ICOM display over here. The V3500. There's your 705 again. 2730, 9700, 7610. I used one of these 7610s at Field Day this year. So much fun. What a great radio. Got the ID 5100, ID 50 handheld. Here's your 7300 and the 7100 here, all from ICOM, brand new right here at the store. Let's come back over here and look and see what else we got. Got some Yaesu handhelds down there. Here's some Yaesu desk mics and external speakers, antennas. A bunch of mobile rigs. A whole bunch of MFJ stuff here, switch and power supplies, watt meters, all kinds of adapters here. Let me tell you something, Heil ham radio is some of the best audio products that you can find. Absolute, some of the best stuff. Great headsets. They've got adapters for foot pedals and hand switches and stuff like that. Best handsets or headsets period you can get. Super, super easy stuff. We'll keep walking over here and see what else we can find. There's some keys. More power supplies here. Got 45 amp power supply. Coax. More coax. Got your adapters, connectors, got paracord here. All kinds of books. More paracord. You got some pulleys and things to help you with your paracord, mounting your antennas and things like that. Rig Expert. Great stuff here. Check this out. I just happened to see this is a POTA bundle. You got a case and a winder, and flex coil. It's good stuff. Really, really good stuff. Got your backpacks over here. As we start to come out of the amateur radio side of things, you got your backpacks over here. Got solar panels, some aviation stuff. Mystery boxes. If you're in the gambling business, these mystery boxes, you never know what you might find. More backpacks. Those are really nice, actually, military style. Got some t-shirts. We got some great metal detectors. If you're into metal detecting, I have an interest in it. I've just never done it. You got panning for gold equipment here. And we're in the maker area. This is all crafting type stuff. You got some 3D printers straight ahead here. Bamboo Labs, that's some of the best 3D printing equipment you can get. Here's your fiber, I think that's what they call it. Really, really good stuff. Decent prices, $225, you can't beat it. Now we get to the astronomy side of things. Look at all these telescopes, folks. Celestron, Explore Scientific. Great equipment here. Binoculars. And as we come back out of the astronomy section, we get into the toys. Something here for your kids to do. And even check this out. Snap circuits. This will teach them basic electronic principles. And I ask you to forgive my voice. Suddenly I felt fine, but I'm just losing my voice. So more toys and games here. Fun stuff. As we round back around, we end up right back here to the t-shirts. So that's basically the tour of Gigaparts here. I like that. Don't be negative. Got some backgrounds for your photography stuff here. Chroma key wall. Nightstands. Good stuff, folks. Really good stuff. Okay, folks, that's gonna do it for this episode of Ham Shack TV. Like, subscribe, and favorite this video. Share it out with your friends. Let them know the great stuff that Gigaparts has. I know I'm gonna leave with something. No more shaky video. We'll have a tripod and cell phone mount, so it'll be a lot easier. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing. If you're coming to the Hamfest this weekend, Huntsville Hamfest, come see me, table 155 and 156. Also, if you're in town, come by and check out the Gigaparts store. This is worth a walkthrough, for sure. So we'll say 7-3 for now, and hope to see you real soon. This is AA4WXWSEB 69373.